Next question of the night. Ito pa. A micrometer gives measurement in what measurement or unit? A micrometer, no? A micrometer gives measurement in what unit? Letter A, millimeter. Letter B, decimeter. Letter C, meters. And letter D, centimeters. Alam niyo yung micrometer, teachers? No? Alam niyo kasi, vernier caliper and micrometer are actually a measuring tool that uses or that measures talaga a specific or a margin of 0.01 accuracy. No? Pero, yung tanong kasi dito is what type of measurement or what unit are they using? They will always be using the unit what? Ang unit po nila is millimetro. No? Tanda yung teachers that millimeter po natin. Now, tinanong kayo sa board exam, what is the base unit of the linear measurement of in metric system? What is the base unit for linear measurement in metric system? Ano sagot nyo dito? Huh? What is the base unit? No? What is the base unit of a linear system? No? A linear measurement of a metric system natin? The answer there will always be meters. No? Will always be meters. What about what is the smallest unit you can find in a ruler in terms of metric system? What is the smallest unit that you can find in a ruler in terms of metric system? Ah? What is the smallest unit you can find in a ruler for a metric system? It is not centimeter. It will always be millimeter. No? Beyond millimeter, it's not anymore plausible to be used in the different measuring tool natin. Okay? Millimeter po yung sagot natin doon. Next question of the night. Sir, eto. A foot rule is commonly used in what type of system? No? A foot rule is commonly used in what type of system? Letter A, US customary system. Letter B, metric system. Letter C, astronomical system. And letter D, binary system. O minsan, diba teachers, nalilito kayo? Kasi sir, akala ko sir US, tapos akala ko British, akala ko English, akala ko metric. Ano ba talaga sir? Diba? Teachers, metric system is not about US or what country, whatever country it is. Metric system, teachers, is termed as the International Standard Unit or SI unit. Tandaan nyo to ha. Metric system is not from US, from Japan, from Korea. No, it's not. It is an international standard unit. While foot rule will always be a US customary system natin. Wherein it uses feet, it uses inches, it uses yards, it uses foot at exactly 12 inches. Astronomical unit. Ano to mga astronomical unit natin? Diba? Example, light years. Very good, no? These are actually astronomical units natin. Binary units, ano to? It's between 0 and 1 natin. Wala po siyang kinalaman sa physical measurement. No? A, B, C, these are physical measurement but not letter D. Kasi po si letter D, it is just a binary system, a number of systems 0 and 1 po natin. Therefore, the correct answer is letter A. Next question of the night. No? What law in electricity states that current is directly proportional to voltage? No? What law in electricity that states wherein current is directly proportional to voltage? Ba't ang daming B ngayon? Ano ba nasa B? Di ba? Sir, ba't ang daming B ngayon? Walang letter C kanina, sir. Walang letter D, sir. Parang ano, sir? No? Teachers, kung iuguhit natin to, magiging ganito po yan. No? yung tinatawag nating very famous na triangle natin. No? Ito po yung E, ito po yung I, at saka ito po yung R natin. Now, sabi dito, no? According to George Simon Ohm, a German physicist, no? Sabi dito ni George Simon Ohm, the relationship between current and and voltage will always be involving a resistance. No? Ang sabi niya doon, Sir, if the voltage increases, the current as well as increases. Okay? However, this resistance natin is actually, ano meron sa kanya? What happened to resistance? Resistance is getting smaller. But once the resistance is getting higher and higher, no? Once resistance gets higher and higher, energy, electricity natin, the voltage and the current gets lower and no? So, kapag ang dalawang side na to tataas to, no? Our resistance normally is low. But when the resistance is high, this too is going downward. That's what we call as directly proportional to each other. And that is coined actually to George Simon. No? That's actually to George Simon. Sir, now, pag sinabi ko yung Ohm's law kasi teachers, no? It's all about the power of resistance. Kasi ang lahat kasi ay dumaan kay resistance eh. No? Resistance is very strong that it can control the power. It can control the energy itself. All right? Now, sir, bakit po ba sir minsan ang ibang Ohm's triangle, letter V ang nasa taas, tapos letter A, tapos letter R? This is actually indefinitely wrong. Bakit? Kasi ang tamang Ohm's triangle, baka pagalitan tayo dito ni George Simon Ohm. Sabi niyo, dapat ilagay niya letter E. E stands for electromagnetic force. EMF, electromagnetic force. Dapat ilagay niyo sa kabila letter I, hindi po letter A. Dahil ang pahiwating po dyan is intensity. Gaano kalakas ang flow ng current. That is intensity. And R is for resistance. Anong sabi niya doon? Sa pagkuha po ng ating formula, teachers, kailangan nyo lang talaga dito ng tabon-tabon method. Takpan nyo lang yung kabila, makukuha nyo na yon. E is equal to I times R. I is equal to E over R. R is equal to E over I. Yan lang po yung formula. No? Sir, kailan schedule ng electrical session? Naguguluhan ako. No? Anyway, nasa December po yung teachers, no? Puspusan po yung ating pagre-review December, January, and February. No? Puspusan po yung ating pagre-review ng December, January, February kasi alam natin na March 15 is your board exam. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang ready na kayo. Sir, ano yung Joule's Law? Ano yung nasa paloob ng Joule's Law natin? Ang Joule's Law teachers, tanda nyo lang to that this is all about electric power or the power natin. No? Power natin. Sir, ba't ang aga ng exam? Ay, sure. Okay, wait lang. Nabasa ko kasi ito kanina, March 15. But I have not seen yet kung March 15 ba talaga. Meron na ba talagang ano? Meron na ba talagang schedule yung PRC natin for board exam? Kasi kadalasan yung mga 20s kasi yan eh. 22, 24, ganun. Meron na pala. No? Uploaded by PRC. Kay aga-aga ng exam, di ba? No? Kay aga-aga ng exam natin. So, anyway, pagbubutihan natin yan. We will be working one with you guys. No? I promise, we promise, no, that as a team, as a head of the Team Sir Chan Steel Tambayan, we will be working closely with you. We will never leave you until you get your own license. That's a promise to you guys. No? Of course, ayoko rin kayo makita sa darating September, ano? I hate to see your faces sa September kasi I know sa darating na May, you will become a licensed professional. Hopefully, may magta-top din po sa inyo gaya ng top notcher natin ngayong December. Huy! No? Next question of the night, teachers. Newton's law. Ang Newton's law, hindi to eh. It's all about force. Ang Coulomb's law, wait lang. Ang Coulomb's law natin, it's all about electric charges. No? Electric charges ang Coulomb's law natin. When working with hand tools, always wear letter A, gloves and goggles, casual shoes, loose sleeves, jewelry. Nako, wala namang sa ayos ang tanong na to. Very basic lang. Letter A, gloves and goggles natin. Tatandaan niyo to, teachers, ha? Kapag safety ulit is very important. No, improper use of protection, lack use of protection can always injure you and can always give you an injury. 1 meter is equal to blank. No? 1 meter is always equal to blank. Letter A, 10, 50, 100, or 120. What's the answer here? No? 1 meter is always equal to 10, 50, 100, or 120. Teachers, tatandaan nyo na that in the conversion table po natin, magiging 100 centimeters lang po yun sila. Next question of the night, teachers, is eto tayo. Sir, a board measures 2.5, may letter C na din. A board measures 2.5 meters. How many centimeters is this? 25, 250, 2,500, or 25,000? Again, a board measures 2.5 meters. How many centimeters? Kasasabi nga lang kanina na 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Tapos ngayon, yun na yung sagot nyo. Ay, nako. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 2.5 meter is equal to 250 centimeter. That is just letter B. Eh, bakit may letter C? Diba? O, ayan. Next question of the night, teachers. This tool is used to measure small parts precisely. Is letter A, caliper, plumb bob, hammer, screwdriver. Pag may nagkamali pa dito, nako, no? Tapakin mo na yung sarili mo kahit tulog ka na dyan. Di ba? Ano sagot dito? Now, the tool used to measure small parts precisely is letter. O, di ba? Teachers, one of the ways for you not to forget about board exams scenario is that you just have to think over about each choices. Ang tanong dito is measurement. Si screwdriver ba makapag-measure? Hindi. Kasi screwdriver is just to tighten or loosen the screw. Eh di mali. Si hammer ba makapag-measure? Hindi. Kasi it is just only to drive nails and shape materials. Kaya hindi. Plumb bob. Para sabi si plumb bob, ano sa wika ninyo ang plumb bob? Sige daw. Sa wikang Bisaya, ano ang plumb bob? Tonton, very good. Ano naman sa Tagalog? Sa wikang Tagalog, ano yun? Very good, hulog. Hoy, zilong, iba yung tintin. Ano yung tintin sa inyo? Okay, ganoon lang siguro kaliit, ano? Plumb bob, yan yung plumb bob natin, sir, ano? 'Di ba? Plumb bob, teachers, is a weight suspended from the top to determine the vertical alignment po natin. Therefore, caliper is the best answer here. And of course, last question of the night. Sir, a symbol in blue color in safety sign usually means blank. No? A symbol in blue color in safety sign usually means blank. Letter A, prohibition. Letter B, mandatory. Letter C, warn. Letter D, danger. Very good. No? Sir, alin dito yung sabihin safe condition? What color? No? what color speaks about emergency-related instructions? Gaya po ng exit, gaya ng first aid. No, what color, sir? Anong kulay ba yung nagsasabi ng regarding sa emergency-related situations or instructions? Green. Very good. Nasabi ko nga yan sa inyo last Friday, di ba? Green ang tamang sagot doon. No? Sir, paano naman po, sir, kapag warning or caution? Ito po yung yellow. No? Yellow po natin yan, sir. Of course, we have the red being the prohibition or danger natin. Di ba? Red, prohibition or danger natin. Tapos teacher's warning. And for our yellow, well, the answer here is letter B, mandatory instructions po natin. No? Mandatory instructions po natin. Pilipinas, muli, this is Sir Chan of Sir Chan's Daily Tambayan. Nagsasabi at nag-iiwan sa inyong salita, mag-ingat at mag-aral tungo sa magandang pangarap. Good night, everyone, and see you.